Alright, here we have the Sharps Marine 1010 Pro 785. Just had it rebuilt. New pistons, new rings. A couple other additional things. You can see here we got the V-Force reeds, the custom reed spacers. The head is a hot seat head that's been milled down with the SMR logo on there. Compression's been bumped up from 130 to 145. So here we got valves all installed, pipes all installed, everything ready to go. So do a couple little primes here and see if it starts up. Right. Say it sounds pretty good.